So you can see of all the different areas, there are some designs that work cohesively better together. There are some that look a little bit more modern, some that look a little more traditional, and the goal of this quilt really is just to create something that isn't going to be so dense that they can't sleep with it. So I'm going to have to take some of my ideas that I love and kind of whittle them down so that there's not as much thread or buildup with the quilt top as I'm going. But I just wanted to show you some, different ideas for the melon shapes, because there's a lot that you can do, both on the insides and in the rings themselves. And then I'll have to work out the border and setting diamonds areas, because I haven't thought of those yet, but I do know that they wanted to have maybe some railroads in the borders and maybe some hidden Mickeys. That one's going to be obviously more apparent, but it was kind of cool to see some different ideas for fillers and different things as you go as well. So it's going to be awesome when we're done with it. I mean, it's such a beautiful quilt that kind of radiates color from the inside out. It's so neat and a little bit more of a contemporary palette to the normal ones. So it's going to be a lot of fun to work on. But thanks for taking a minute to watch this video. I thought it would be helpful to just kind of watch the ink kind of go out, not on the paper necessarily, but through my drawing program and work with that. If anybody's interested in the drawing program, this is Microsoft OneNote. It is a pretty sweet little program that I use to just kind of draw designs and kind of get my feet wet for what I want to do, and it really helps me to see some different ideas put together and on the page, and so I can see really what's going to jump out at me and what's going to work for my needs of my overall quilt top. So thank y'all for watching and have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please like and share.